Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make whole wheat pita bread with the bread dough recipe which I showed in my last video. And guys, I have started being active on Instagram, and if you would like to know what is happening in my life and for more daily updates, you can follow me there. Links will be updated below this video. Now I have kept the dough in the refrigerator for 2 days, and this is how it looks. I have kept it out of the fridge for about 30 minutes. So now to make pita bread, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the bread dough. It's still fermented, as you can see from the texture. So I'm just going to take the dough and lightly knead it. Not going to give much pressure. I'm just lightly kneading it to remove some of the air bubbles. Now remember, this dough is slightly sticky, but that doesn't matter. On my work surface, I'm sprinkling in some whole wheat flour, pinch of a lemon sized dough and lightly flatten it out, and then with a rolling pin roll it out into a circle. When rolling out, make sure that you don't give much pressure. To make pita bread, I have heated my iron tawa, and once it is hot, put the flame on lowest and then place the pita bread, and once you see the bubbles forming on top, flip it to the other side, and after about 20 to 30 seconds, press lightly with a clean cotton cloth. And pita bread will puff up nicely. Now flip it to the other side. Now our pita bread is ready. It's nicely puffed up. Remove to a plate. So let's make one more pita bread. Okay, my pita breads are ready. Now pita bread is a great option to carry to work. Now let me show you what you can do with pita bread. You can put some filling inside and roll it up. Or what I really like to do is I cut it into half with a scissor, and you get these beautiful pockets. So what I'll do is I either stuff egg burji or paneer burji in this and pack it as a lunch for my husband. Or if you're traveling, you can carry this with some filling like a boiled egg or boiled channa and vegetables. Filling options are endless. So this is the best thing I like about pita bread. These pockets, they are actually a lifesaver. To make a filling with the boiled channa, I have chopped 1 medium-sized onion, 1 green chili, 1 small tomato, and some coriander leaves. Transferring it into a bowl, add in some salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of boiled channa. Sprinkle in a little bit of amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. Instead of dry mango powder, you can use juice of half a lemon. Now give this a mix. Take half of a pita pocket and fill it with the channa mix. If you're having this immediately, you can drizzle in some home set curd. Avoid mixing with curd if you're planning to take it to office for lunch. And my easy and healthy pita bread filling is ready. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.